Hi, Sarah. My name is Mr. Shadows. I got my name 'cause I like to hide in the shadows. Like in the closet, way in the back, where you can't see me. My favorite place to hide is under the bed. I just wait sure I've got lots of time. I wait there patiently until you're in a real deep sleep. I then creep out from under your bed and crawl into bed with you. Hee 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 hee. I like to get all comfy like. Yes, this is nice. Real nice. I hope you don't mind. I want to tell you something, Sarah. I've got a secret. Come here. Come in closer. 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 I have a biting problem. I don't bite my fingernails. No, my problem is much worse. You see, Sarah, I like to bite your toes. Hee 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 hee. Salty, smelly like Fritos. Hee 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 hee. Who's the dummy now, Sarah? Who's the dummy now? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sarah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sarah. I'll see you later tonight. But you won't see me. I'll be looking for you.